Hi guys. Hey, I just feel so like I need to do this for you guys. I received a from a friend of mine on my birthday several weeks ago. She got me a set of knives. Now, I've never seen these before. They're quite pretty. Not only are they pretty, you can see I've already used some of them here. But I want to do a little review on these. Now, this is not sponsored, but I want to go ahead and do a review on these because these are absolutely amazing. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Tama, you can help me out here. Tamagotchi. They're by Hampton Forge. It's a 14-piece cutlery set. And these are absolutely amazing. It comes with a 8-inch chef knife, if you can see, 8-inch bread knife, a citrus knife, a paring knife, some toki knife, and a utility knife. And these are absolutely phenomenal. I want to demonstrate exactly how good these are. So I'm going to go ahead and do that because I'm getting ready to make some oven roasted. Well, I'm going to do some chicken in the oven, some chicken legs, because tomorrow is Saturday and we're cooking out tomorrow for our Labor Day because I have to work Saturday or Sunday and Monday. But I'm doing some chicken in the oven. I'm going to season it really well, and then I'm going to make my own barbecue sauce, which I've already put that on my channel. It's already on here, so you guys can go ahead and make that. It's to die for, and I urge you to make that this weekend for your barbecue. But I wanted to go ahead and do like a review with this because I'm going to chop up some garlic, and I want to show you, I'm telling you what, if you have this thing, they're amazing. You're just going to have to see. I have never used a knife that just works so well. These are so sharp. I'm telling you, they could slice through anything. So if you're looking to, you know, commit a murder, no, I'm just kidding. But if you're looking to, I'm just going to set these right over here. But I'm going to show you how well these work. Like I said, I'm going to make some chicken. I bought chicken legs. So we're going to do some barbecue chicken legs. But I'm going to, let's just get right to it. Now, I look at them. They all come with, in this little case, it's a protective case here for your knife, and it just slides right out. Hopefully I won't cut my hand right here. But it slides right out, and then you just put it, when you're done with it and you wash it, you put it right back in there. That is so nifty and so neat, and it's perfect because, you know, a lot of people put them in their drawers, and, you know, you can cut your little baby fingers off. But these are absolutely phenomenal. I cannot even tell you how much I love these knives. But we're gonna chop some garlic here. I mean, I sliced a tomato the other day, and it just went right through there. It was amazing. I'm gonna show you exactly how good these things are. You know, when I'm cutting my garlic anyway, I like to take it and you smash it first. It makes it so it's so much easier to get your the peelings off. So just smash it real good, and then you just remove your peelings. See how easy that was to remove your peelings? But this is not a garlic smashing review. It's a review of these wonderful knives. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the edge of that off. Look at that. That's crazy. I don't know if you can see it very well. Let me try to position myself where you can see it just a little bit better. I hope the lighting's okay. I might be standing in the light. But I want you to look at that. Look how beautifully that cuts right through your garlic. That is amazing. I'm telling you, this is so sharp. Absolutely. You gotta watch it though to cut your fingers off. I was so impressed with that. Even my husband, who does not really do a lot of cooking, he was like super impressed with these knives too. I'm not really sure where she got them at. I think she may have got them at Sam's Club, and I don't know if Sam's Club is like worldwide. Look at that. Look how that just dices right through there. I love them. I absolutely love them. Look at that. You've got your garlic minced in absolutely no time. But again, I don't know where she got these knives at. I'm pretty sure that she said that she got them at, I'm pretty sure that she got them at, where did I say she got them at? You know that one place. Sam's Club. I'm pretty sure she said she got them at Sam's Club. I don't even know how much she paid for them, so I really couldn't tell you that, but I'm telling you what. If these knives were $100 a set, you can bet your sweet bottom that I'd definitely be buying them. They are absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal. And what I should have done is bought a whole chicken and barbecued that, and that way I could just slice through there and cut the chicken up and see how well that works with that. But I know that these things, I'm telling you, they could just slice through bone practically. But it is very sharp, so you need to be very careful with it, or any knives that you have. Even dull knives can even be your worst enemy, so you know, you can really hack yourself up. The thing about dull knives is that's pretty much it. You'll hack yourself up before you gnaw through the bone with that. So, but anyway, I want to do a short review about these knives. Like I said, the name brand of them is, you can look real close again. See what it says there? Can you see what it says? It's like Tamagotchi or something like that. Tamagotchi, I don't know, but I tell you, whoever that is, these knives are exceptional. Absolutely amazing. But anyway, I want to do a short review, and you know, because I think it's important that all of our utensils that we use in the kitchen, you know, they're up to par. They're the best ones that we can get, and that, oh, I hate when my hands get stuck on, you know, when you're chopping garlic and they get kind of sticky, and then you go to peel another one off and it kind of all sticks to your fingers. I hate that. But anyway, today is Friday, and I am preparing because we're going to be cooking tomorrow. Cooking on the grill. We're going to do some brats. We're going to do 2 different kinds of brats. We're going to do the jalapeno cheddar and either the stadium brats. I'm not sure. My mom bought the brats, so either the stadium brats or the beer brats, which are both my favorite. You just about witnessed it. I just about got my finger. I sure did. But right now I'm making, like I said, my chicken. What I like to do when I cook my chicken on the grill, because it's so hard to cook chicken thoroughly on the grill without burning it, unless maybe you wrap it in some foil and stuff. But I want to do a quick barbecue chicken on the grill, and you know, it's so quick and so easy if you just go ahead and cook your chicken first. I like to roast mine in the oven. Get some in my eye. I like to flavor it really well, season the meat really well. I like to marinate it for a little bit. I like to use garlic and fresh garlic and some garlic powder and some onion powder. Oh my gosh. But I also like to use my seasoning, my In the Kitchen with Sandy seasoning. And you know I'll be putting that in there, lots of that. And I'm just going to take my thighs, or not my thighs, but my legs, and just kind of roll them around in that and season them really well. And then I'm going to roast them in the oven on about 375 to 400 for about an hour until they're completely done. And then I'm going to take them and I'm going to make my own barbecue sauce. And like I said, that recipe's already up on my channel, and you guys really need to try that. I mean, it's some kick-ass sauce. And then tomorrow when we go to cook out, all I have to do is take my chicken out, put it on the grill, coat it with some of my famous barbecue sauce, and then just let it warm completely through and just do its magic. That's what it has to do, its magic. But it's phenomenal. This is going to be a short video because that's all I want to show you really is those knives. And I hope you guys are going to be having a wonderful holiday weekend. You know, most people are off for those 3 days. I have to work 2 of them, but that's what happens when you're a nurse. You know, sickness and you know, caring for others it's you know, every day of the week, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so that does never stop. But it's okay, I'm good with that. We're gonna do our thing tomorrow. But I hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend, and I hope you have got the chance to look at some of the videos I just put up there recently. they're pretty darn good. Lots more coming, but have a beautiful, wonderful, and safe holiday weekend. And you know I love you guys also very much. And you know I would love to see some of your pictures on my Facebook fan page of some of the things that you're making for this Memorial Day cookout. Enjoy your time, enjoy your family, and if you haven't subscribed, you better do so. I don't know what you're waiting on, seriously. I mean, I don't know what you're waiting on. But I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.